Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the right parts and tools. Replacement AirPods Pro tips, 70% isopropyl, a soft lint-free cloth, toothpick, and tweezers. You remove the old rubber by pinching the base and twisting gently. This prevents tearing. Once removed, inspect the plastic stem for adhesive or torn material. You clean the stem with a small dab of alcohol on the cloth, and you use the toothpick for stubborn bits so the new tip seats properly when installed. Once the old tip is off, you focus on cleaning. Isopropyl removes oils that stop tips from sealing. You dab, don't soak, the stem and let it evaporate. This prevents moisture inside the driver. You also inspect the speaker mesh. Gently brush or use a short burst of compressed air to protect sound quality. Then you align the new tip's opening to the stem, start on at an angle, and push until it clicks. This ensures the seal and keeps noise isolation intact. You finish by pressing the new tip until it clicks and then give a light tug to confirm it's secure. That prevents loss in your ear. You run an audio test and try transparency and noise cancellation so you can feel the seal and adjust size if sound or fit is off. If you still have slipping or distortion, make sure the stem is residue-free. Try the next size tip. And if that fails, contact Apple or an authorized service. Don't force damaged parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.